No way I'd let you slip by. I'm straight for you with me.